Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then I'm Shweta and I'm currently a research student at Radboud University in the Netherlands. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some cool and really helpful Chrome extensions. So let's get started. Months ago, I came across few Chrome extensions which helped me to manage my online classes and also to increase my productivity. To be very honest, earlier I only used two Chrome extensions and those were Google Translate and Grammarly, and these are pretty common extensions and I'm sure you all also must be using it. So in today's video, I'll be listing few of my favorite Chrome extensions which I have been using, and I'm sure that they will be helpful for you, and especially if you're a student, then it will definitely help you. So let's get started. The first Chrome extension is DualS or DualLess, whichever you prefer. I call it DualS. We all dream of having a cool dual monitor setup, and only a few of us actually have it. But if you have to frequently shift between pages or you find splitting the browser manually frustrating, then DualS can fix this problem. DualS splits your tabs and you can easily separate and resize the tabs. So, you can take notes while attending online classes or while watching video. It also has a bunch of dimensions or ratios that you can choose from. I used DualS a lot in the past semester since all the classes were online and I preferred having the lecture open in one tab and the presentation slides in the other. This way, I could easily follow the lectures and take notes. I really like this extension. It increases productivity by helping with multitasking. This extension is also great for students or teachers if you are giving presentation via Zoom or Google Meet and need to split the screen so that you can see the presentation as well as other students. Bookmark is another cool feature of DualS. You can bookmark your favorite site or the one which you use the most in the required ratio, and the next time you just need to click on the bookmark and it will relaunch the site in new tab and it will be split in the ratio that you have selected. Next Chrome extension is URL Render. I came across this extension while I was writing research proposal. And for the literature search, I had to go through many sources and I opened multiple tabs and went through them one by one. And most of the time when I opened the website, it did not really have the information I was looking for. URL Render really solved this problem and saved a lot of time. With URL Render, you can get a sneak peek of the website without actually opening it in a new tab. How cool is that? You can search in Google and then you just have to point to the URL and it gives you a preview of the entire web page on the side. You can even maximize the size and scroll through it. And take my word on this, it really saves a lot of time. Increases your efficiency and speed by allowing you to find the information you need directly from the results page. The next is Viva Highlighter. I used this extension to highlight text on Chrome. All you have to do is drag your mouse across the paragraph that you would like to highlight and then pick the color you want on the highlighter pop-up. You can also use it when you're reading an online PDF. Just open the PDF in Viva and you can highlight it. You can click on the Viva icon on your Chrome browser to refer what you have already highlighted. Viva Highlighter is a workspace for your research, PDF and studies and helps you to increase productivity by allowing organization and annotation. I regularly use Viva Highlighter while reading articles. And if you also like to highlight important points while reading, then I would definitely recommend getting this extension. Next extension is Alpha Text. So if you come across a web page which is difficult to read because of the size and style of the font used, Alpha Text can help you change that with just a few clicks. You can change the font and text size depending on your preferences. Another great feature is that you can change the background color and the text color, and this can be handy if you're reading in low light or at night. If you want it more brighter or warmer, you can customize it according to your needs. Another similar Chrome extension in this line is Dark Reader. It is great for those who study for long hours at night or are nocturnals like me. I usually work at night and Dark Reader helps me customize by allowing dark or light mode for every website. The last extension is Momentum. This is the most popular extension and you must have heard about it, and it's totally worth the hype. Momentum replaces your dull Chrome dashboard every time you open a new tab. With Momentum, you can do a bunch of things. So instead of the usual new tab, Momentum gives you a different view. It has aesthetic nature background and a quote that changes every day. What I like about Momentum is you can personalize your dashboard by setting goals and reminders for yourself. So for example, my main focus is to complete the assignment and you can check it once it's done. In addition, it allows you to list your tasks and activities for the day. Another additional feature includes weather forecast, and on the upper left hand side you can add link, which basically works as a bookmark. Overall, this is a very good extension to help you to stay focused and productive, and it is also aesthetically very pleasing. So that's it from this video, guys. These were few of my favorite Chrome extensions which I use and I found them really helpful. Let me know your favorites in the comments below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.